Okay, so I finally finished my first Unity game that was assisted, and it's Rollerball. I'm doing it through the course, which I've been doing. Also, I want to apologize for my schedule because I've been very busy or just lost, and I'm sorry. I'll try to keep some amount of posting, but I don't know how frequently. But I do want to grow this because I do like making coding in video games and hardware. And I want to have places to share it. So I appreciate everyone who's watching, but for right now, it may be a little slow. But I hope to grow this in the future. And now let's get to the game. So for this game, it's pretty simple. It is a ball that you can see run away from this red rectangle, and if they get caught, they lose. But if they can get all 12 of these, which you'll see in a second, they will win. It's kind of like Pac-Man with 3D, and with less ghosts, but you get the idea. Ooh, shoot. Damn. Alright, well, I would say you win. I'm this bad. It's actually fun. It's an easy game, but you get the idea. Alright. Bye. So make sure to like and subscribe, and see you next one. Also, I just want to thank my people again. Thank you.